And now your Local 11 weather with Jordan Dressman.
Well, while we are starting off on the colder end of things, I've got some fantastic news. These current temperatures, which most of us currently sitting in the single digits or just above the single digits, do look like they are going to be the coldest temperatures of the next several days. A warm front is actually going to push its way through the area this afternoon, and that is also bringing about our next opportunity for snow. A high of 20 degrees this afternoon across the Wood River Valley. Much warmer today in comparison to yesterday across the Magic Valley. Today I've got a high of 30 degrees, a light east wind 5 to 10 miles per hour, and then we are talking about that opportunity for snow pretty much the entire afternoon and heading into the evening. Just a touch cooler across the Mini-Cache region this afternoon, but still warmer than we were yesterday. I've got a high of 28 degrees. Now, given that opportunity for snow that is going to arrive this morning, the National Weather Service has issued both a winter weather advisory. Those are the areas shaded in purple for much of the Magic Valley and over towards parts of the Mini-Cache region. That will go into effect 11 o'clock this morning, and that will run until 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Others of us, parts of the Mini-Cache region and up towards the Wood River Valley, have found ourselves under a winter storm warning. Once again, that will go into effect this morning, and it will actually run until Saturday night. Now, with our next opportunity for snow, the biggest threat's definitely going to be the amounts of snow and then the road conditions. Ice could be hit or miss. I think the best opportunities for any problems in terms of ice definitely going to come Thursday night and into Friday morning, where our temperatures are actually going to warm up, and that could create the opportunity for a little bit of freezing rain. Now you're asking yourself, how much snow am I going to get? Well, most of us are going to fall in this 1 to 4 inch category. Parts of the Mini-Cache region and up towards the Wood River Valley 4 to 8. Elevations above 7,000 feet could be looking at a foot of snow, which is actually fantastic news, especially if you're really just dying to get to the ski resorts. Now, let's time this all out for you. Here we are right around 11 o'clock this morning. You can already see the leading edge of that snow beginning to push its way through the area, and it's only going to encompass the entire viewing area as we head into the evening. Now, watch what happens as we head into the overnight and very early into tomorrow morning. We could see just a little bit of a lull, but as we go throughout the day on Friday, temperatures, well, they're actually going to warm up into the lower 40s, and that's why Futurecast is picking up on this purplish color, which is hinting at the idea of a little bit of freezing rain. I actually think we're going to see more in the way of just a very cold rain as we go throughout the course of the afternoon, but there is the potential that that could refreeze, and we could run into some issues again Friday night and into Saturday morning. Like I said, Friday much warmer than we've been the last several days, a high of 41 degrees. We do back that off just a little bit heading into Saturday and Sunday, and then the new work week. Well, I've got plenty of opportunities for some form of precipitation, with temperatures holding pretty strong in the mid and upper 30s. And then across the mountains, where I have rain across the Magic Valley, I do have snow because our temperatures are going to hang out just a little bit closer to that freezing mark. We're going to be right around the upper 20s and lower 30s. Are you ready to build yourself a snowman?
I am, and I'm grateful that at least this time the warm-up stays as a warm-up versus we had that warm-up yesterday, and then now it's just...
It's all right back.
So at least we'll get it for a few days.
I like your optimism, Nicole. It makes me smile.
What else can you do when it's cold outside?
This is very true. Welcome to winter.
Thanks, Jordan.